Welcome back to ICSC Help YouTube channel. Today the topic is very important ICSC class 10th mathematics. The name of chapter is similarity, which is included in your first semester for ICSC class 10th math. According to your bifurcated syllabus, the similarity chapter has been included in your first term exam, which will be held on November. So we are discussing about the similarity. Before starting the similarity, we should know about the similar figure and congruence figure. What is the difference between similar figure and congruence figure? Similar figure and congruence figure has minor difference, but some students confuse about the similar figure and the congruent figure. Similar means only same in shape but not in size. Only same in shape, not in size, but not in size. It means the two circle is similar. The two circle is similar and the sign of similar is this. It is same in shape but not in size. The size is different. It is similar. And two equilateral triangle is also similar figure. Two equilateral triangle. It is same in shape but not in size. Two line is similar. It is also similar because it is same in shape. Two square is also similar. It is same in shape but not in size. These are the example of similar figure. And for more example, the map of India and India are similar figures because they are same in shape but not in size. Model of bacteria and real bacteria are similar figures. So in similarity, the size is different but the shape is same. And in case of congruent figure, what is congruent figure? The congruent figure are same in shape and same in size. Same in shape as well as and size. Shape and size both should be same in congruent figure. Like this is congruence. 3, 4. These two triangles are congruent figure and the symbol of congruence is this, because the side, shape and size, all things are same, and if you put this figure upon this figure, then it is totally hide one above, and so this is known as congruent figure. The congruent figure should be same in both shape and size, and there would be no difference in any type of side or angle or length or any other topic. But in your ICSC class 10 mathematics, only similarity is given, not congruence. It is not in your syllabus. ICSC class 10 for first semester. In similarity, there are many examples. I have discussed it, but in ICSC class 10th mathematics, only the similarity of triangle is given. So your topic is only similarity of triangle. Similarity of triangle is only your topic for ICSC class 10 mathematics. There was introduction of similar figure and congruent figure. But in your ICSE class 10th mathematics, only similar figure is given, congruent figure is not in your syllabus, and in similar figure there were many examples, but only similarity of triangle is in your ICSE class 10th syllabus. Hence, we start the topic similarity of triangle. In similarity of triangle, there are two conditions. Two conditions are given in similarity of triangle. The first condition, if corresponding angle are equal, if corresponding angle are equal, like if this is the figure and this is 30, this is also 30, this is 60, this is also 60, that corresponding angle are equal and it will be automatically equal. It will be automatically equal because the total is 180 and after subtracting the same value, their result is also same. So, corresponding angle are equal in similar triangle. This is the first condition. And the second condition, corresponding side are also equal. If corresponding side are equal, this is the second condition of similarity of triangle. If this is 3 and 4 and if this is 3 and 4, then this figure is also same, and this is 5, this is also similar. Corresponding side are equal. This side equal to this side, this to this, and this is to this. So, this is the condition of similarity. What is the basic proportionality theorem? The basic proportionality theorem is the important theorem in chapter similarity of triangle. Theorem 1. In your ICSE class 10th mathematics, according to further reduced syllabus, no proof is required. So you should know only the theorem. Do not prove the theorem because it is not your reduced syllabus for 2021-22 exam or council. The basic theorem 1, basic proportionality theorem. Basic proportionality theorem. This theorem tells us that if it is also known as Thales theorem. It is also known as Thales theorem. Thales theorem. Suppose that this is the triangle ABC and a line parallel to any side. It is parallel to any side and the point is B and E. Then the AD upon DB means AD upon DB is equal to AE upon EC. This is the Thales theorem, AE upon EC. To find the length of any side, if only 3 value is given, you can find the 4 value without any problem. If only 3 side length in term of x, in term of y or any type given, the equalize it, putting the value and the answer will be out. This is known as the basic proportionality theorem or Thales theorem. The second theorem is internal bisector of triangle. Internal bisector. The theorem 2. Internal bisector of angle of a triangle. It is if there is a triangle A, B, C and a bisector, I mean this angle is equal to this angle, is cut at D, then it is the BD upon AB, BD upon DC, BD this upon this, DC, BD upon DC is equal to AB upon AC. But it is only true if these are angle equal. If these two internal angle are equal, suppose that is angle x and y, and angle x is equal to angle y given, then BD upon DC, the ratio will be same of AB upon AC. This is the theorem 2. And next type question on this similarity chapter is the map and model. You know that the map and model is also the example of similarity, because map and model are similar but not congruent. The map and model are similar but not congruent. Map and model. The map and model are similar figure and it is not congruent, because if the real value of any India and the map of India, there would be difference in only the size but not in the shape. Suppose that the in map 1 centimeter, in map 1 centimeter, or in India real is equal to 1 kilometer. In map 1 centimeter is in 1 kilometer. So the scale factor is equal to original and resulting. Original 1 kilometer and resulting 1 centimeter. 1 centimeter and 1 kilometer means 1000 meter into 10 is equal to centimeter, is equal to 1 centimeter to, this is the scale factor. This is the scale factor. You can easily calculate the scale factor by putting the original value and the resulting value, and the scale factor is calculated. What is the use of this scale factor? The use of this scale factor, if the scale factor is given, then you can calculate the value of model, value of original, by so on. If the resulting length is equal to scale factor into original length, and resulting area of figure is equal to scale factor square into original area, and the resulting volume of any figure is equal to scale factor cube into original volume. You can calculate any value of original or resulting in map and model question by using these three formula easily. If you know the scale factor is equal to 150 and the length of model is 10, then what is the original length of these model? What is the original length? Then original length should be find out. Let original length and scale factor 1 upon 50 and the resulting length should be know. The length of model is 10. And original length should be known. 10 into 50 equal to original length is equal to 500. Original length is the answer. You can also calculate the volume and the area of any figure by applying this formula. If the map in map, this is 4 and this is 16. The area on map 1 upon 2, 4 into 16, 2 2 ja 4, 16 2 ja 32, and the scale factor is given 1 upon 20. What is the original area of this figure? So area, the original area should be find out original area, and the scale factor 1 upon 20 square is equal to resulting area. Resulting area is given 32 1 upon 20 original area, and after calculating it 32 and 20 is equal to original area. 2 2 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8, 4 3 ja 12 is equal to original area. This is the answer. You can also calculate the volume of any body. If the volume of ship is given, let volume of ship is given 1000 meter cube, then what is the volume of model? And the scale factor is given 1:10. Scale factor. What is the volume of model? What is the original volume? Original this or original this? This is the original. So original volume given 1000, and the scale factor 1 upon 10 cube, and resulting volume is equal to 1 upon 10 into 1000 is equal to 10 meter answer. So you can easily calculate any value by putting the map and model formula, the original length, original area and original volume. And if you feel any difficulty to solve the exercise of similarity of any ICSE famous publication, ML Agarwal, Kansai Salina, RS Agarwal, Goel brother, or any famous publication, please visit the ICSEhelp.com. All the solution is given in order. And if you like the video, please like it and share it. Thank you.